At the busy part of central Jerusalem, there is a small nature reserve called Gazelle Valley Park that is inhabited by a herd of mountain gazelles. I was quite lucky in that the moment I entered into the valley, I saw a herd of gazelles grazing and resting in the middle of an open field there. Gazelle Valley is indeed one of the most prominent open space in central Jerusalem. What must be appreciated about this place is that people who love this valley and gazelles came together to defend this place from quote-unquote development and real estate mafia and pressed the municipality to establish this nature reserve. Thanks to them, this urban park is the first of its kind in Israel, inspired by other similar parks such as Central Park in New York City and Hampstead Heath in London. This is a very relaxing place to go for an hour or two. The entry is free, it's open all the day, and there is a lot of parking space available if you come by a car. Or there are a lot of buses that stop nearby, especially the bus number 5. Gazelles were an integral part of the culture of the people in Israel even in biblical times. Poets adored their beauty, warriors envied their swiftness and speed. But as humans evolved into modern times, the habitats of these gazelles also suffered. The place where the valley is now was once a plantation. But due to their high maintenance costs, these plantations were abandoned and gazelles made it their home. I went there during the summer and the valley immediately offered me a relief from the harsh Mediterranean climate with its fresh air and greenery. A man I met in the park caught me by surprise when he told me that we can find a lot of kingfishers near the pond ahead of the trail. I have seen a lot of kingfishers in India but never one in Israel, so I was curious. The park is beautifully landscaped with walking trails, benches, ponds and streams. There are wired fences that we should not cross, beyond which is the territory of these gazelles. What is uncommon in Israel is the signboards in English, but there are many signs along the trail in this valley in English that explain the area and purpose. Moreover, the people I met in the park were eager to help without asking, and they were eager to tell me what I can find in the park and where. They asked me questions like where do I come from, do you like it in Israel, and many more. I spent about 2 hours in the park enjoying the tranquility of the place and capturing videos. I think I will come back here again before I leave Israel.